Hey y'all, welcome back to the garage. Today, we had a company reach out. It's Apiele. Uh, they make switches and stuff. So they sent us a variety pack. So let's get into them and I'll show you what we got. All right, y'all. I've already been into the box once because I wanted to see what they sent me and see what we needed to do a little demonstration. They sent us wiring instructions. There's 4 different methods, 4 different ways, depending on how you want the switches to react. So there's that. Here's our switches. Now they sent us locking ones where you push and it stays on. And then they also sent us momentary ones where you just push for momentary. So, and these have a nice little LED halo around them. So, all right. Oh, and the thing I really like about them is they come with a pigtail wiring. So, in the instructions it tells you which wire to use for what function. And one other thing I want to point out on these aren't cheap plastic, switches. These are like aluminum body with a nice nut comes on them. These are the 16 millimeter. So, yeah, these are the 16 millimeter, 12 volt. They make them for all different voltages and stuff. So, yeah. All right, let's get some wire out here, a battery, and something to wire it to, and we'll show you how they work. All right, y'all. Got a little LED light here. Got my battery source, and so we got the 2. These are the outgoing wires. So there we go. Got that. And when we push, this is just a momentary. You can see that red light lights up, and our LED lights up. So, all right, there's that one. So we're going to do that was the momentary switch. And so now we're going to do the locking on switch. So, and push. And that one happens to be blue. They sent me multiple colors. So, yeah. There's that. And then I'll show you the just the light itself. You can see there you can wire it so that that light's on all the time. You can run it off like a keyed switch. So when you turn whatever you're putting it on, that lights up, and then it'll, it stays on all the time. So all right, I like these things. I mean, feel like a really nice quality. So, and they're waterproof. That's the other thing I like about them. So, all right, I'll just show the instructions here. You guys want to see it a little better? These come with the switches. So multiple ways of wiring them up. So, all right. All right, y'all. There you have it. The Apiele. I think that's how you say it. Apiele. Might be Italian. I don't know. Apiele. But pre-wired. These aren't pre-wired. These are the ones with the wiring plug, which is a really nice plug. They just snap on. They have pre-wired ones, unwired ones, ones that you just solder wires and stuff onto. They got hundreds of switches. So go check their website out, and you can also get these on Amazon. I'll leave a link to their website, and you can get to Amazon through their website, or you can buy directly from them on the website too. But these are going to be really nice. When I go to put them on, I'm going to use them on a pulling tractor. Like I said, I got multiple colors. I think I got green, yellow, blue, and red. So, be really nice. All right, my vote, go out and get yourself some. Thanks for watching, and catch you all on the next one.